Cricket now, the management of the Tallawahs franchise and the Jamaican government look set to make an official announcement of an agreement for the two-time Caribbean Premier League T20 champions to remain in Jamaica.
There seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel for the Tallawahs to remain in Jamaica. This after threats they would be pulling up stumps due to a lack of financial support from local sponsors and the government. On Sunday, TVJ Sports caught up with Tallawahs' CEO Jefferson Miller, who says they have now inked an agreement with the government.
We're happy. We have a partnership now with the government, and we're looking forward to extending that partnership with government and other corporate Jamaica. This year, instead of talking against each other, we're talking together. We have some great conversations, and we're looking to create a long-term relationship with the Tallawahs and the government of Jamaica.
Prior to this deal, the owners of the Tallawahs were contemplating to move all 5 matches from Jamaica in 2019 after the government announced that they could not give the franchise any money. Sports Minister Olivier Grain spoke with TVJ Sports via telephone late this afternoon.
I have been in ongoing discussions with the management team of the Tallawahs, and we are very close to finalizing some assistance to the Tallawahs. We're working on a package, and we are at the stage where we will be making an announcement very soon.
Last year, the Tallawahs staged 3 out of the 5 home matches in Florida. It is also reported that the Tallawahs recorded losses of US $1.8 million last year. Miller further states that Pepsi International will be the title sponsors of the Tallawahs.
Pepsi is a national brand, it's a worldwide brand, and the Tallawahs is a national and a worldwide brand, so I think the two of them together is perfect.
The 2019 season of the Caribbean Premier League is set to run from August 21 to September 27. Denise Walters for TVJ Sport.